Hey everybody, this is Rich from the Rich Maxwell channel. Welcome back. If you're new, this channel is about drones, videography, photography, and just generally cool gadgets and technology. So of course you're into those things, so please subscribe, maybe hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this video, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial, 3-minute tutorial to teach you how to do speed ramping in Adobe Premiere Pro. So speed ramping is a really cool feature and a cool tool that you can use to make your videos a bit more interesting. You can speed things up, slow things down and get really cool effects, and take a boring piece of footage that might be really long otherwise, speed it up, put a bit of slow-mo in the middle of it, and then you can make some really cool little B-roll features, even keep the pace of the video in tune with your music as well to make it even more interesting and more punchy and stand out even more on YouTube. So I hope you're going to find this useful. Let's jump over to the computer now without any further ado and talk through how you do speed ramping. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, about to show you how to speed ramp. So I've got a project created for this tutorial, and I've got some footage here from my GoPro on my motorcycle. So just going to show you how we can speed ramp this footage and make it a bit more interesting. So this is just me riding home from work on my motorbike. So on quite boring normal roads here around Birmingham in the UK. So to speed ramp this footage and make it more exciting, we're going to make it into a bit of a hyperlapse type video. So a hyperlapse is essentially just a real fast motion video. So to start this off then, we don't really need the audio, so I'm going to delete that track. And so just click on it, press delete. And now right click and we can just do speed duration. Let's speed it all the way up to, say, I don't know, 10 times speed. So should we put it up to 1000%? So that's going to make it into a really, really fast piece of footage, almost like a hyperlapse straight away. But to do more to it than that, what we're going to be able to do then is put some little markers on the footage so that we know where we want to slow it down then. So might need to just render this, as it is going to be quite processing intense when you're changing speeds and things like that. So by rendering it, it will just run a bit smoother when previewing the footage. So as you can see, it's rendering away now. So once that's rendered, this will just show much more smoothly and give us an idea what the end result is going to look like, as it's all choppy and juddery at the moment. Oh, I might have just pressed escape. And if you're watching this video, I'm actually going to speed ramp this part now to make it go quicker. Okay, so we've got our footage now rendered really fast, 1000% footage, so it's just an 11-second clip. And here you can see this is the footage. So where do I want to slow it down? Say I wanted to just slow it down here where we're approaching that car. So I could just put, well, I could put a marker on there if I want to mark where I want to slow it down. So that could make it a bit easier. But what you really need to do is just press on the FX button here in the corner with the right click on your mouse, and then go time, remapping, speed, and then you've got this line that comes up. Now this line controls the speed of the video. So you shift it up, makes it faster, down for slower. And so what I'm going to do next is get the pen tool. So just click on that pen tool there. Now click on it there, and then click on it around there where that marker is. And then that's going to just divide the footage so that when I speed that up, it's only speeding the part between the pen tool up. Of course, I'm going to slow it down rather than speeding it up. So we'll put that bit down to 10%, so that's normal speed. And maybe I don't want all of that footage, so I'll just put it down to like there. And as you can see with the pen tool, we've got these two little dividers, these two little pointers when you move it around. And that is essentially so that when you're playing the footage, it will be really speeded up, but then suddenly drop down otherwise. But if you use these dividers, then you can just put a bit of a ramp in there like so. So as you can see, we've got a nice smooth ramp there, nice smooth ramp there. Yeah, we'll keep it at 10%. This is filmed at 25 frames per second, so if we dropped it down slower than 10%, which is its original speed, because we of course speeded it up to 1000%, it would just look really choppy, not very good. So we're going to render that again, and I'm going to speed ramp this video to avoid you having to sit and watch this little render. Okay, so now we've got the footage playing, and you can see the speed ramp in action. Now it suddenly slows down and ramps back up again. Fast speed, fast motion. And that's it. That's the tutorial done. So speed ramping, it's about using that FX button in the corner, clicking your time remapping speed, gives you the line that you need to be able to adjust the speed of your footage. Use the pen tool, mark where you want to put in bits of slow-mo or speed-specific bits of your footage up, and then you can just move it up and down on that little bit of footage, and then splitting the little marks that the pen tool has made will enable you to ramp the footage rather than just have a sudden speed up or a sudden slow down. So hope that's been useful. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and join me again for more videos soon. Bye for now, everyone. Have a great day.